Hi guys, with another video. This is the garbage disposal. Yeah, it was leaking underneath, right there. It was leaking, and then I opened it, and I see that right there there's a hole. So this is gone, as you see right there. At all other places it's good, but here there's a big hole. So that's the reason it was leaking. And if you have a same problem, if it's under garbage disposal, if it leaks underneath, that's the result, and you need to change it with the new one. Yeah, this is it. This is inside, right there. This is not the copper, but they made it copper plated. This is the I think it's, as you see, like you see that. And this is what I know. It's not copper, but let's see. It's aluminium. Yeah, it's aluminium. So alright, this is it. Alright, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye.